The problem with most people is that you're not obsessed with improvement. You're obsessed with making money. You're obsessed with taking your business to the next level. And can I be honest with you guys? This is why I hustle. I came to Australia to get an upgrade. And when I go back, my wife will notice a difference. My kids will know a difference. Why? I'm obsessed with improvement. And if you're going to go to the next level, your values are going to have to change.
I just ask guys, what's your why? Why are you here every day? Why do you do what you do? Everybody has a different why, but as long as you know your why, nothing can stop you.
I always wanted to be a winner in everything I do, and I think just that small piece is helping me in the league today. Wanting to be the best and wanting to win every single game. Always wanting to be a winner makes everything feel better. So I think I had that inner fire, that competitive spirit.
This is why I work. This is why I grind. This is why I work. This is why I grind. This is why I work. This is why I hustle. This is why I work. This is why I hustle. It's when you have nothing left. It's when you depleted all your money, when all your energy gone, when you have nothing left. That's when it's showtime. When you find the way, that's when it's showtime. I wish I could tell you something else. I wish I could tell you tired, go take a break. I wish I could tell you tired.